Yes, next topic, view tab. There, show, zoom, workbook views. These three are explained in this video in three options. These are all available in the view tab in MS Excel. See here, workbook views, shows and zoom. See here, and taken one discount table box. In this before, how to open the view menu. Click view menu. There first one is workbook views. What is this? Workbook views. Workbook views always in the normal space. Clicking on the page layout space, that time the page will displayed in the printing type. It means you printing to the any Excel sheet. This page layout is very useful. Where it is in the view menu. In the view menu, this is available. Next one, page break preview. Now normal stays. Next one, normally cell how to display on that. These are all cells. These are all cells. This is the column. This is the rows. Okay. Next one, shows. Next one, show. What is the show? Show have the four options: rule, formula, grid lines, headings. I remove the headings. The heading mean column wise. Which is the column, which is the row, you not identified. Given to the headings, show the views, columns and rows. Rows have numbers, columns have alphabetics. What is the heading? Show the row and column headings. Okay. Row heading or row numbers to the side of the sheet. Column heading or letters or the number appears above the column of the sheet. Okay. Next, formula bar. What is the formula bar? Formula bar means view the formula bar in which you can enter the text and formula into the cells. Suppose here I am testing somewhere. That one displayed where it is here. This is called a formula bar. Okay. What is that formula bar? Explained in here. View the formula bar. What is the viewing on there? In which you can enter the text or formula into cells. Okay. Next one, grid lines. Grid lines means show the lines between the rows and columns in the sheet. Make editing and reading erasure. Okay. Show the grid lines means show the lines between where it is row, how many rows and columns, and sheets makes to editing the and reading. See. Remove the grid lines. See here. Give it to the grid lines. Again I am going to grid lines, heading and formula. Okay. These are all must and should in that Excel sheet. Next one, zoom. What is the zoom? Zoom is two ways in that any window. First way is the right side of the window. Right side of the window, the minus and plus is there. Minus means decrease the window. Plus means increase the window. Okay. Another one is here, zoom. Clicking after your requirement anyone 200, 100, 75, 25. Click OK. This is the 25. Another zoom 50. Click OK. Another zoom. Click 75. Click OK. Another click zoom 100. Click OK. Another given click the zoom 200, click OK. Another one, what? 100. Normally Excel sheet in the 100. Next, zoom to section. Zoom to section. Again, show that one. It means very large and very high. Very large, very low. Again, clicking on this, 100%. Okay. This is normally using on that. In these options are identified easily where it is. In this zoom is available in the view. Shows formula bar and grid lines, heading and rules are available in the view. And workbook given to the any print that time, easily take to the page layout and click the print option. This is the identification in this one, not is not unusable, not thinking on that. Why? Because in the printing time in MS Excel, given to the anyone office section, you print some Excel sheet given on that. Don't take the blank faces. You easily identified this is the view tab have to the normal and page layout is there. So page layout is every time in the printing time useful to very much in the Excel sheet. Some easily understanding where it was the available in the options in the Excel sheet. You know the Excel sheet for everyone, but options where it is somewhat not identified. That's why I'm taking in this video, simple video in this one. Okay, that's working view. Workbook views means very useful on that. Workbook view means 2 is there, very useful. First normal, you open first, you normally looking the Excel, but you printing time very useful in the page layout option. Okay, next grid lines also. Next formula bar using what you modified in the cells. See, formula bar one useful, another one is there. What is that? I'm given to the someone is there here. The cell is expand cell after expand the matter. That time don't the not clicking in here, not shocking on there. It easily comes to here and mistake in anyone is modified here, automatically the cell modified. Okay, so very useful on that formula bar also. Okay, next zoom in, zoom out. Suddenly some are touching on that time zooming on your cell in this type. Don't shock on that. Directly view is there, went to the 100%, given to that 100%. This technique is, it means identifications. You all are identifications. Okay, where it is a Excel sheet, whatever problems are facing, this is useful very much on that. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm in this video what I'm explained, understanding all of you, I think so. First time saw the my channel, subscribe, like and share. Any doubts you have, so comment section, comment them. Okay, I'm explain next video, and that comment I saw the comment and explain next video I'm explain the same topic. Okay, thank you.